How to make your Starlink rural internet better in 2023. Is it worth it? The Starlink rural internet connectivity may seem like the best option for those in remote areas, but there's still the issue of Starlink's internet reliability. Here's how to fix your Starlink rural internet connection and always be online when you need to. Here at Speedify, we've been testing our own Starlink internet connection for almost half a year now, and we have gathered a lot of data about Starlink's performance in different scenarios. So how does Starlink internet perform in rural areas? If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you get notified when we post more Starlink videos and Speedify how-tos. For most people who are in remote locations, Starlink is a great option for getting better internet speeds than their old DSL or cable connections. Clearly a game changer. It doesn't mean there are no downsides to Starlink rural internet. The most important one is internet reliability. Oftentimes, Starlink owners, especially those in remote areas, are complaining about disconnects and poor performance of their connection. And this may be due to the satellite network, weather conditions, obstructions in front of the dish, etc. This should not happen to you when you're working remotely, having a video call, playing games online, or live streaming. What's the fix? Some have switched back to their old, slower connections, which at least are more reliable than the Starlink. But others have moved to something new like cellular routers. But keep this in mind, any connection can fail at some point in time. And you don't want it to happen while you're doing something important. The best fix for Starlink rural internet problems is using it together with another internet connection at the same time, not switching between them. If you have older DSL or cable connection, you can go with that. If not, you can just use your phone's cellular connection together with Starlink internet. You can do that easily with Speedify. Speedify is the only app that lets you combine your Starlink with multiple internet sources into one bonded super connection for better speed, security, and stability. You can download it at speedify.com for Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, Android. To wrap this up, you can never be too prepared when it comes to internet connectivity. You will get the best performance from your Starlink rural internet if you use it with another connection and Speedify, which does a great job of optimizing the usage of each connection and keeps you connected. Need more tips and tricks about using Starlink efficiently? Check out the videos and playlists on our channel, and make sure you subscribe and tap that notification bell.